In South Texas, where land meets sea, a new chapter in space exploration is rising, Starship Launchpad B. More than just a second launch site, Pad B is a promise that reaching for the stars will become routine, not rare. SpaceX's vision is massive, building a city on Mars, launching thousands of starships. One pad isn't enough. Pad B is a leap forward, built on lessons from Pad A, designed to be faster, stronger, and more reliable. These twin towers stand as beacons, guiding humanity to new frontiers. Pad B isn't just a backup, it's a partner, enabling a launch rate once thought impossible. This is how big dreams are built, step by step, each improvement paving the way. Pad B is more than steel and concrete, it's hope made real. The future of science fiction is getting closer, powered by bold ideas and relentless engineering. The roar of Starship from this pad will mark the start of a new era. The sky is no longer the limit, it's just the beginning. Together, these pads will support a cadence that can make Mars a regular destination. Every launch from Pad B is a step toward a multiplanetary future. The sight of these towers inspires us to imagine what's possible. Pad B is a symbol of our drive to explore beyond our world. With each launch, we move closer to making the extraordinary ordinary. The journey to the stars is no longer a distant dream, it's a future we're building, right now. Why a second launch pad? For speed and reliability. Imagine running a cosmic bus service to Mars. One station means any problem halts everything. Two pads change the game, while one launches, the other preps for the next. This parallel approach unlocks high-frequency launches and minimizes downtime. Pad A was the pioneer, proving Starship's concept and revealing its limits. Early launches damaged Pad A, leading to long repairs and redesigns. Pad B is the upgrade, stronger, faster, and built from hard-won lessons. It's not just a copy, it's a leap forward, like a polished masterpiece after a rough draft. Two pads let SpaceX innovate with one, while keeping a steady launch tempo with the other. This accelerates progress and supports the dream of building a city on Mars. Redundancy isn't a luxury, it's essential for a robust space transportation system. The two-pad strategy is how you turn hundreds of launches a year from fantasy to reality. It's a blueprint for scaling up, not just for Mars, but for a thriving space economy. With Pad B, SpaceX can push boundaries without missing a beat. This is how you build a future where spaceflight is as routine as air travel. The dream is no longer just possible, it's inevitable. At first glance, Pad B looks like Pad A, but look closer and you'll see a revolution. The foundation features a dual flame trench, splitting the rocket's exhaust to reduce stress and damage. Combined with a robust water deluge system, this means faster turnaround between launches. The goal: relaunch rockets in hours, not weeks. New hold-down clamps are stronger, release quicker, and handle more thrust. Integrated sensors give the launch team real-time data for safer, more reliable liftoffs. Every component is optimized for high-frequency launches. Pad B isn't just an iteration, it's a leap in launch pad design. Built to withstand repeated launches, it's a true gateway to space. This is practical engineering turning science fiction into reality. Pad B is designed for relentless use, minimal downtime, and maximum performance. It's the launch pad for a new era of exploration. Speed is built into every part of Pad B. Larger propellant lines mean rockets fuel up much faster. Countdowns shrink from hours to minutes. A more powerful subcooler chills propellants quickly, maximizing rocket performance. The new quick disconnect hood retracts faster and cleaner, reducing risk at liftoff. Every second saved means more launches more often. The booster catching arms, Mechazilla, are stronger and more precise, aiming to catch returning boosters and eliminate landing legs. These upgrades make reusability faster and more efficient. Each system, fueling, cooling, disconnect, catching, works in harmony for rapid, reliable launches. Pad B is a symphony of speed and power, engineered for the future. Every improvement is about making spaceflight routine. The result? A launch pad ready for the demands of tomorrow. This is how you build a true spaceport. Pad B sets the standard for what's next. Pad B isn't just a launch pad, it's a template for the world. Its modular, standardized design means SpaceX can build copies anywhere. The first is already rising at Kennedy Space Center, Florida, home to legendary launches. Multiple sites mean flexibility. Texas for Mars, Florida for the Moon, and more. If weather grounds one site, another can take over. This global network makes space access as reliable as air travel. Imagine Starship pads on ocean platforms, launching from anywhere on Earth. Point-to-point travel, London to Sydney in under an hour, becomes possible. Pad B is the first step toward a planet-wide transportation network. This network will power the growing space economy, satellites, research, exploration. Standardized pads mean faster, cheaper expansion. SpaceX is building the infrastructure for a new era of innovation. Pad B's design is the foundation for global space exploration. The future of space is being built, one pad at a time. Every innovation at Pad B aims at one goal: making humanity multiplanetary. Dual flame trenches, rapid fueling, stronger clamps, each is a step toward Mars. To build a city on another world, we need relentless, reusable launches. Pad B is engineered for this: minimal downtime, maximum cadence. Every launch carries us closer habitats, life support, pioneers for Mars. Pad B is the tool turning dreams into reality. Its impact goes beyond Mars, revolutionizing access for NASA, businesses, and science. Lowering launch costs unleashes creativity and discovery. This tower in Texas marks a turning point in history. Pad B is a symbol of our drive to explore and reach beyond the horizon. Space is becoming a familiar destination, not a distant dream. The journey to the stars is starting now. Pad B is paving the way for humanity's next giant leap.